Hi guys, I'm Emily now. This is my clothing review series, and today I'm super excited to show you this stunning floor-length sheer dress. It's feminine, playful, and full of little details that make it really special. Let me go try it on real quick. Be right back. Alright, here it is on, and I absolutely love how it fits. It's very form-fitting and hugs the body in all the right places, but still feels light and flowy. Perfect for a romantic evening or even a fancy summer event. Let's talk about the red shoulder straps. They're so unique. They look almost handcrafted, with these adorable little cherry details embroidered on them. They add such a cute and playful touch to the whole look. In the center, between the cups, there's this lovely white ribbon bow, soft and delicate, giving a really sweet vintage vibe. And just below that, there's intricate embroidery across the bust area. Such a beautiful design. It really gives the dress that extra elegance. Now for the back, there's a bra-style clasp, just like on a regular bra, which makes it super easy and comfortable to fasten and unfasten. I love when designers think about both the look and the practicality. As you can see, I had to do a little spin. It just feels so flowy and fun to move in. Honestly, it makes you want to dance the moment you put it on. This dress just brings out your inner diva. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.